Are you frustrated over these higher prices now for your cruise? Prices keep going up. They keep nickeling, diming you on everything on the ship. Well, I have found a way to save you some money. That's right. You're going to buy some discounted cruise gift cards that are used on many of your favorite ships, and you're going to save hundreds of dollars. Stick with me and I'm going to show you. I grew up with parents that said, money doesn't grow on trees. But what if it did? What if I buried $100 and it sprouted into $200? Or what if I buried $450 and it sprouted into $500? I would be burying money all day. Kind of like gift cards, right? Everybody loves getting gift cards. Somebody else is paying for it for you. They give you the gift card and you get to go out and buy whatever you want. And it didn't cost you anything. What if you could bury a gift card that you purchased? Let's say we purchase a gift card for $90 and we bury it and it sprouted into a gift card for $100. That would be amazing, right? It would be amazing. But guess what? That's not real life. Or is it? Let me share a secret with you. You don't even need to get dirty to do it. Watch. I have found a way to purchase gift cards at a discounted price. You can purchase a gift card at a lower price, but when you redeem it, you're redeeming it for the full value. And another thing, I found a way to do it for your cruises. I found a way to do it for your reservations. I found a way to do it for your onboard credit. AARP offers cruise line gift cards at a discount. Please don't run. You don't have to be 55. You don't have to be retired. You can be as young as 18 in order to join AARP. But they offer these gift cards that you can purchase at a discount and you can redeem them for certain cruise lines. Just be sure to read the fine print. We're going to go in the system in a second and take a look. But look at your cruise line because they each have something different to offer. They don't all work the same way, and they also have customer service phone numbers. So if you have any questions before you purchase your gift cards, you can call and get those questions answered. You do need to purchase a membership through AARP, but it's like $12 a year, maybe up to $16. It depends on how you pay for it. But if I'm going to be saving hundreds of dollars, I think the price of a cup of coffee is well worth it. Don't you agree? Sometimes they even run promotions, so you could get it even less than that. I think I just saw a commercial a couple weeks ago that was like $5 a month for AARP. I'll sign up for that one. So let's take a look. You have Celebrity, Royal, Princess, Carnival, and Holland America gift cards available here. You're looking at 10% off, 8% off. So 8 to 10% off of every gift card. If you're getting ready to book a Royal Caribbean cruise, for example, you have two types of gift cards to choose from. You have one that's $90, which means you pay the $90, but the value of the gift card is $100. So you're getting 10% off that gift card. You have one that's $450. You're paying $450 and the value of the gift card is $500. That means when you book your reservation with Royal Caribbean, you're going to be taking $500 off of your reservation, even though you only paid the $450. Let's open this up. You need to read the fine print on each of these. Make sure that it's exactly what you want. Some of the cruise lines only allow you to apply your gift cards towards a new reservation, or they allow you to use it for the reservation or as onboard credit. So there's some phone numbers listed under each. So here's your Royal Caribbean phone number. There's your disclosure. If you keep going down, you're going to see how to redeem your gift card. So when I did this, I got my gift card pretty quickly. I want to say within 24 hours, I got the gift card. They electronically send it to you through your email, and it has a code on there. And for Royal, you would call or you can go online to redeem your gift cards, and they give you the steps on how to do that. I did Carnival recently, and what I did was I bought 2 Carnival gift cards for $450. So out of my pocket was $900. But really, I had $1,000 now to spend on Carnival. So if you go under Carnival, they do it a little differently, which you get more benefit with Carnival here because they let you do it for your reservation plus or your onboard credit. So if you want to use it towards your excursion, you can. If you want to use it towards the internet package, you can. You can even use it in the casino. It's going to be available as onboard credit. So right away, you're ahead by $100. Carnival was really easy. In my situation, I did not use it for the reservation itself. I used it for onboard credit and for things to do on the ship. And all I did was, as soon as I got on board Carnival, when I got my electronic gift card from AARP, I just printed it out and I took it with me on board. And when I got on board, I went to guest services. I handed them, all they need is the code, really. I handed them the code. They put it in the system and I had my money right there. It was really easy. My friend that went along with me, she did the same thing. We had absolutely no problems whatsoever using the gift cards. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I remember getting my email from AARP with my gift card, and it allowed me to add it to my Apple Wallet. You open that up in your Apple Wallet, and it's going to come on like this. And I handed this to the girl at guest services, and she was able to take down the PIN number and the gift card ID number and issue my credit that way. But I did still print it out because I'm the what if girl. You know, what if my battery died in my phone? What if I lost my phone? And on. I do that with my packing too. What if it's cold? What if it's not? But anyway, I printed it out just in case, but it was in my Apple Wallet. So either way, as long as you have that ID and the PIN, it's a 4-digit PIN code I think that you need, that's included, you're not going to have any problems with your gift cards. So you have Holland America offering 8% off of their gift cards. Princess is at 8% also. Then you have Carnival, Royal, and Celebrity all giving you 10% off the gift cards. It's another step, I get it. But when you're talking about the price of these cruises lately, if you can save hundreds of dollars, I'm in. I am in. Don't tell me anything else. Let me give this AARP my $12, and now I'm purchasing these gift cards at a significant value. Let me know if you give it a try. Comment down below if you already knew about this little hack. Nobody told me about it. I kind of just found it by accident. So I'm glad I found it, and I'm glad I could share it with you all. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Better yet, turn that notifications button on. That way you're notified when any new content comes out. I'm always looking for ways to save you guys money, to save myself some money, and I promise you I'll share it. If you guys will do the same for me, if you guys have any great money saving tips, how to get a discount on any of our favorite cruise lines, drop it in the comments below and I'll try to get it into a video for everyone. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. If you're out there on a cruise, I'm jealous, but guess what? I'm actually leaving in, I got 3 days. I don't know if you can see that behind me or not. 3 days to go, and I'm heading out on the Symphony of the Seas. If you have any questions about Symphony, let me know, and I'll be sure to answer those questions for you when I get back. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Happy sailing.